Hey traders, this is William, and if you've already seen this video, jump to minute marker 1 for the 3-minute market open meditation. If you haven't seen this before and it's your first time watching, I wanted to share a meditation that I made for myself in my own trading, and I've shared with other traders I personally know who upon their first listen gave me the feedback that it drastically and instantly improved their trading. And how it does this is that it puts you in the right mindset for the open that you know you would ideally like to have to execute your own trades, your own plan, your own setups, and to forget everything else and to forgive yourself for all of the bad decisions you ever made and just focus in the moment on exactly what you know you would ideally like to do. If you've never meditated before, don't worry. Just close your eyes, listen, and follow along. Trader, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale and let everything go. And for this one moment, clear your mind and be at peace. Just breathe. Inhale. Exhale and let everything go. Don't be greedy and don't be fearful. Have patience and visualize your perfect setup right now. Visualize your perfect trade. This is what you will trade today. Clear your mind of everything else. Forgive yourself for every bad trade in the past and visualize your perfect trade. Visualize patience and trust yourself. Believe that today there is nothing stopping you from doing exactly